So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add shadow to text here on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, go to the top, press on text right here. I'm just going to type in the word shadow to text just like that. I will then make it a little bit larger so it's easier to see. Now, if you want to add some shadow to text, it's pretty straightforward. Press on the text right here. I want you to go to the top left to where it says style and press on that. Now, where it says shadow right here, if you were to go ahead and just drop down shadow right here and add drop shadow, for instance, you can actually go ahead and add whatever you want. So you can change the blur just like this. You can change the offset of it as well. You can make it darker or lighter with the opacity. You can also change the angle just like this as well. And last but not least, you can change the color. So if you want a specific color, just like that, you can go ahead and do that. We'll make it a little bit darker as well. Set the offset to more and the blur more. That is your background, or that is your text that you've added, or I guess shadow that you've added to your text. This works for contact shadow as well. This works for curve shadow, whatever the case may be. You can play around with it. It is completely up to you. So very straightforward, very simple. That is how to add shadow to text here on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.